Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to crochet a perfect circle. We'll cover everything from starting your project with a secure center to expanding it evenly. This foundational skill is essential for many crochet projects, from coasters to amigurumi. By the end, you'll have the confidence to create beautifully flat circles every time, ensuring your projects look polished and professional. Let's get started on this fun and rewarding journey. The magic ring, also known as a magic circle, is the best way to start a crochet circle without a hole in the middle. You'll wrap the yarn around your fingers to form a loop, then crochet your first round of stitches directly into it. Once your stitches are complete, gently pull the yarn tail to tighten the ring, closing the center completely. This creates a neat and professional-looking foundation for your circular piece. To ensure your circle lies perfectly flat, consistent increases are key. The general rule is to increase by the same number of stitches you started with in your magic ring in every subsequent round. For example, if you began with 6 single crochet stitches, you will add 6 stitches in round 2, 6 in round 3, and so on. Distribute these increases evenly around the circle to avoid creating noticeable corners or a wavy edge. As your circle grows, continue following the increase formula, adding the same number of stitches each round. To keep it truly round and prevent a hexagonal appearance, offset your increased stitches in alternating rounds. You can join each round with a slip stitch or work in continuous spirals, depending on your pattern. With a little practice, you'll confidently create perfectly flat crochet circles for all your creative projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.